Okay, so now we're going to do a PA on Eurocad. So starting from correlation, Eurocad is a -3 and 7. So initially I was trying to sell it, going to a continued direction in the daily chart. But in the 4-hour time frame where it's actually the correlation doesn't really work well with 1 and -1. It's kind of like neutral. So maybe it's a transitioning within the whole group. It's a transitioning from daily time frame. So next we go to the chart. You can see wow, very high. You can see first of all, this is a B formation turns by high volume at this level, break above. So this is actually a very strong area to buy. You can see the high volume. So when it come out here, it reacts again. Then this is the test back. Then the seller struggles and just got taken out. So actually technically we should think more of a buy because the 4 hours also transition correlation wise. Then number 2, the buy is very strong in this case. Then when it came out here, it's just you need to see how price reacts when he tries again, when this guy tries again. So when price tries again, you can see at this level so there's high volume here, so the guy came back and tried again. So actually after the market open is here, $230, and it's high volume. I think I can anticipate here to go long, because first of all the 4 hour is no longer in trend with the daily. Number 2, there's very high volume. This guy high volume, and here shows that he's back very strong. Like the sell go up very deeply. So actually there are trap buyers over here. This guy. When they try to sell, got eaten up. Trap buyers. Come back. Here buy best. Then it go up. Then when it came out here to test this area, I could have gotten another position. Then exit wise, this is a higher time frame. Exit wise maybe can about this area, which already hit already. Hindsight. Okay, so instead of like trying to, when actually I just went long this week, I went long for this also. So instead of trying to keep focusing on one direction, you can consider both sides. Build a case for both sides. Why will it be going long instead of going short? Or why will it be continuing the trend? That's the case I need to build. Timing wise, I didn't enter the trade, but I observed. So technically 10:30, after 10:30, 9:30 is like okay. Usually the big move is after 10:30. That's after stock open. Timing correlation not in the favor of the sell. It's more like transition to long. So it's more to the long correlation, long trend, over time frame trend. But you can see the strong amount of volume that came in. Then next is entry. Okay. exit wise, maybe at this level. But actually it came so strong that we should let it run a bit more. That's how it works. Okay. Anything can do better. You can try to switch the version, explain why whether big boys came back, the sellers came back, but here shows that the buyers came back, judging from this trap seller over here. Came back up, this guy, trap, then he came back to this level, then he just released, then he went back.